Alright, I think I'm going to call this video Beekeeping on the Cheap, but too cheap. This is a Advantech zip system. Comes with this green epoxy coat on it when you buy it or you dig it out of dumpsters somewhere at construction sites. This just happens to be one I've made for a feeder shim for my wife's mini 8-frame boxes. As you can see, this one was built right. Of course, this would be the 3rd generation building with this material. But as you can tell, all the way into here, all the way across, all the way up, and all the way back across is nice and shiny. This has got propolis on it, but it's not shiny. You can see around the hole where the jar feeder goes. But this is Type Bond 3 wood glue. Sorry, I've got a head cold. And the 3rd generation of these stuff that I've made out of this, I think this one's like 3 years old, 2 years old, 3 years old, is not coming apart, which you'll see here in just a minute, because I put the Type Bond 3 glue on it and put about 2 coats in it and made sure the first coat would be about a 60-40 mix with water. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but it thins it down enough that it gets down into all those openings, because this is just basically chipboard that's been compressed down and got an epoxy coating on it. So once I get that in there, after it dries, I'll go back with the regular strength stuff and put it on there. But anyway, here we go with the too cheap part. Well, as you can see, this is Gen 1. I think I said Gen 3. This may be, yeah, Gen 1. No, this would be Gen 2. Gen 1, I didn't really do anything to, because I bought into the hype of you can soak it in water for 18 months and it won't swell up. And yeah, I'm here to tell you that's a crock of bull. So this was Gen 2, which I used, got to thinking after the first one started separating, 40-year exterior caulk. That'll work. Well, let me show you what exterior caulk gets you. It gets you that, and it gets you this. This is squishy. You can see this is rotten. I could probably push my fingers through it. I'm gonna have to take my skill saw and probably cut from here over and replace it, because the rest of it looks fairly good. I mean, it's solid all the way around. Yeah, it's solid all the way around except for this corner. I mean, it's see, look at that. I'll just go ahead and, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. I mean, it's $high paint too. But look at that, just peels off. This is maybe, I don't know, 3 years old. But like I said, you can see where I just took and laid the caulk on it and just smeared it in with my fingers. But I guess we're going to call this video Beekeeping on the Cheap, but too cheap. Because I got a bunch of lids that I'm going to have to go, I've already redone, and I just thought, well, you might want to just do a video on it. Because here at Willie B's, we're not afraid to show people mistakes, because mistakes by me, if you watch it and don't follow me and do what I've shown you that works, this R&D sometimes is horrible. But anyway, I'm not afraid to show you my mistakes. Find somebody that doesn't have any mistakes, I think you might want to check their hands and feet. Well, that should do it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Just cleaning up some junk around here and thought I'd make a video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, post them on Facebook.